You can't delete a chat, but you can hide them. This is a good way of tidying up your chat app by hiding conversations and meetings that are no longer active. To hide a chat or meeting, hover over it in the left rail and click on the More Options button that appears, the 3 dots. In the menu that appears, click Unhide. The meeting will remain hidden until it becomes active again. You can also unhide the chat to restore it. First, search for the chat in the search bar, either by using the name of the individual or the name of the meeting or group. Click on the chat in the search results, and it will reappear in your left rail. To ensure it remains in the left rail, hover over the chat, click the More Options button, and select Unhide.